In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Audio Remix tool, which makes it very easy for you to change the duration of an audio clip to match the duration of your scene or any video clip without you having to do any audio editing. If you look at the sequence on my timeline, the video layer is on top, and as you can see, it's longer than the audio of this music track below. I want to extend this music so that it fits the entire duration. No problem. I'm going to come over here to the toolbar. I'm going to come down to where you see Ripple Edit tool. Just click until you see this dropout menu here, and I'm going to select Remix tool. With the Remix tool selected, all you have to do is come to the end of your audio clip and click. You'll see the little red line, and now you can simply drag out to extend the audio clip as long as you want. And once you let go, Adobe Sensei, the artificial intelligence engine for Adobe Premiere Pro, is going to automatically analyze the audio clip and remix it so it fits perfectly in your scene. I'm just going to let go. You'll see these little zigzags where the remix occurred. And just like that, you have automatically remixed an audio clip to match the duration of your video clip seamlessly. You can also use the Remix tool if your audio or your music clip is longer than the video, so you want to shorten the audio clip to match the video duration. And I'm going to select the Remix tool. I'm going to come over here to the audio clip. I'm just going to click, and that's going to drag into the end of that video clip. And just like that, my music soundtrack is the same duration as the video clip without having to do any type of editing or cutting to make the audio work. If you ever wanted to disable the audio remix or revert back to the original clip, all you have to do is right-click or control-click, go to Remix. You'll see the option to disable, or you can select Revert Remix. You can also go up to the top menu, go to Clip, Remix. You have those same options here. Or you can go to the Essential Sound panel. You'll see an option for duration. If you simply uncheck that, that will remove the audio remix. If you check it again, that will reapply it. And if you don't want to use the Remix tool and you want to manually set the exact duration, you can just right-click or control-click on an audio clip, go to Remix, and check Enable Remix. Then go up to the Essential Sound panel. If you don't see it, go to Window Essential Sound. There's a section for duration. It will be checked once you enable the remix. And now you can click in here for the target duration, and you can set the exact duration that you want it remixed to, or you can simply click and drag it. And it will automatically remix that audio clip to the exact duration that you set. That is how to use the Remix tool in Premiere Pro.